What if the entire universe, billions of galaxies, stars, and planets, all began from something smaller than a grain of sand? That's the Big Bang, the leading explanation for how the universe began. Let's explain it simply. 1. What was the Big Bang? The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the rapid expansion of space itself. About 13.8 billion years ago, everything, all matter, energy, space, and even time, was packed into an incredibly hot, dense point. Then, in a fraction of a second, it began expanding. That expansion is still happening today. 2. Early universe. In the first tiny moments, the universe was unimaginably hot. As it expanded, it cooled just enough for particles to form: protons, neutrons, and electrons. These particles eventually combined into the first simple atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. Millions of years later, gravity pulled these atoms together to form the first stars and galaxies. 3. The evidence. How do we know the Big Bang happened? Scientists point to 3 big clues. The universe is expanding. Galaxies are moving away from us, with distant ones moving faster, like raisins in rising bread dough. Cosmic microwave background radiation, this faint glow left over from the early universe, is still detectable today. The abundance of light elements, the ratios of hydrogen and helium we see match what the Big Bang predicted. 4. Common misunderstandings. The Big Bang didn't happen at one spot in space. It happened everywhere, because space itself was expanding. It also doesn't mean we know what came before the Big Bang. Our current physics can't describe anything before that first moment. 5. Why it matters. The Big Bang gives us a framework for understanding everything, from how galaxies form to why the universe looks the way it does. It also raises deep questions. Will the universe expand forever? Will it slow down? Could there be other universes? The Big Bang is both a beginning and a mystery. So the Big Bang wasn't just the start of the universe. It was the start of time, space, and everything we know. Explained simply, it's the story of how nothing became everything. To keep your mind sharp, hit subscribe for more big ideas explained simply.